Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to a layout for the Scrap Room Flavors of the Month kit. Today I'm showing you one portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. This portion is the Photoplay Serendipity collection. I'm going to show you what's on the collection, and then I'm going to show you what I create with it, because this is my assignment as a design team member. I'm going to create a recipe for this. So subscribers only will get a recipe to create the same page. So you get instructions on how to do it. So unfortunately, you guys don't get that, only subscribers. So I am going to just whip through and show you what I got in my kit. And then I'm going to go get creating, and then you can see the finished project. So every Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 collections. Each of those collections gets 2 pieces of cardstock, some embellishments, and 3 pattern papers. So this one, the pattern papers are the Best Day, which is this one actually. Get them out of order. Gorgeous multicolor foil. You'll be able to use anything else with it. If you have a lot of colored cardstock, this would be really fun. But this is the A side. The B side's a gorgeous vine. Fine and Dandy is the next one, a gorgeous diagonal stripe. I love the little details, like this one has hearts, this is little polka dots, this one's dots. They're all different, super fun and playful. The B side is a lovely text. This is called Just Imagine. Gorgeous plaid. I'm actually a huge fan of plaids. Good plaid and a solid green on the back. And then for embellishments, this is an embellishment page. So this is called the Serendipity Titles paper. Lots of fun things you can do. You fussy cut them all out. There's tons of tiny little word phrases, these gorgeous big titles. I'm gonna totally use some of those, and just fun tags, some borders. Awesome stuff. You're also going to get, if I can grab it, a 3rd pack of the Photoplay ephemera, which will vary per kit. So everybody's going to get all of this. This is going to vary per person depending on what you get. So just because I got this stuff doesn't mean you're going to get this stuff. So it looks like I got one little sheet that has, and this is how a lot of the Photoplay comes. It's like perforated and comes on a sheet. So I ended up getting a frame, kind of a scalped circle that says high five, a yep, I love this, totally gnarly like that. This ticket, a watercolor, I get a tag that's scalped border, and then I get this little banner phrase that says be silly, be kind, be honest. Super fun. So I'm gonna go pick out some photos, get to creating, and I will show you what I have done with it.